Hey, what's up everyone? Todd G here. And in this digital growth community, Broke as a Joke Grandma does 100K in 5 months from RV video. I'm going to show you how this Broke as a Joke 60-year-old grandma earned $100,000 from her RV in just 5 months with the digital growth community and Legacy Builders program, and how you can get started today on your path to making 10K in the next 30 to 90 days. But first, I would appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below and hit the like icon below to like this video. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get started right away on your path to 10K in the next 30 to 90 days, just like this grandma did. Okay, let's jump right in. Now here's this broke 60-year-old grandma's story.
I want to have Mary Ann come on here and share with you guys because she knew none of this either. Okay. And we literally are celebrating with Mary Ann, you guys, because she just hit 6 figures. Okay. So let me find her real quick so she can come on and share her story with you, because I want you guys to understand that anybody can do this. Okay. Okay. Mary Ann, you should be able to unmute, my friend.
Thank you, Michelle, for letting me share my testimonial, and thank you for everything you do. Guys, my name is Mary Ann. I'm 60 years young. I was broke as a joke, and I was in credit card debt up to here back in 2023. And I had to find a way to get out of that. And I used this program to do that. Yes, I just hit 6 figures since January 1st till now. Anybody can do this. As you can see behind me, we are full-time RVers. So this has literally let me be in Texas this year, Florida, and Arizona. And still being able to run a business off my phone. As long as I had my phone and Wi-Fi, I did it. I did it in the airport. I did it driving down the road. I carry a Verizon box with me. You can do it from anywhere. Thanks, Michelle. Oh, my internet must have went out, huh?
Oh, did you know anything about social media before this, Mary Ann? Oh, I think she's muted. Hold on, you got muted. Okay, try it again.
Guys, I didn't know anything about social media. I had a TikTok that I played on, but I knew nothing. I use TikTok and Facebook. And that's how I've grown. I just keep growing month over month. It's amazing.
Let me ask you this question. Has it been hard?
Actually, I bought May 15th of 2023. I didn't even get my system set up till August, but I own that because we were selling our house. Once I got my system set up and going, has it been hard? No. But you do need to stay consistent. You really have to attend the mentoring calls. And I always say, if you could sit down with $1 million mentor every single day, would you do it? And I will absolutely listen to Michelle. And I just follow the process. Really, guys, anybody can do it.
Yes. Thank you so much for sharing. I love that, you guys. I wanted you to hear her story because I knew she would be honest with you guys, right? And so I love that. Thank you so much for sharing. And congratulations. And the next 100K is going to come even quicker, Mary Ann. It does.
Wow, that's pretty powerful stuff. And if a 60-year-old broke grandma that knows nothing about social media, technology, and digital marketing can do it, you can do it too. Okay, that's it for this digital growth community review. Broke as a Joke Grandma does 100K in 5 months from her RV video. Now, if you want to get started right away and learn more about the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders program, you can see all the resources and links below this video in the description below, including a complete playlist that shows you everything about the Digital Growth Community reviews and Legacy Builder program reviews. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.